Your next car could be the 2014 BMW 528i. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 90,000 miles on the odometer. Prepare to take your driving pleasure to new heights and enjoy the best of modern efficiency and style. You'll love the advanced safety features, quiet cabin, and responsive handling this vehicle has to offer. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: navigation system, satellite radio, electronic stability control, seat memory, trip computer, power windows, bucket seats, four-wheel disc brakes, power steering. This vehicle offers the ride you want and the value you need. See for yourself when you take it out for a test drive. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service.